Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace an access panel clip in your canopy vent hood, place a blanket over the cooktop to protect the surface. Rotate the access panel down. If you need to uninstall a grease filter frame, first use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the two screws securing the access panel. Fully unthread the screws to release the panel. Now remove the appropriate grease filter and use a T10 Torx bit to unthread the screws, securing the frame the access panel clip is secured in. With the frame removed, you can now use needle nose pliers to help pry the old panel clip out of the frame. Install the new access panel clip by aligning it with the slot in the frame and snapping it into place. If necessary, reposition the frame, then thread and tighten the screws to secure. Replace the grease filter. Align the access panel on the hinges. Then thread and tighten the two screws to secure. Rotate the access panel up. Snap it into the clips, and the vent hood should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.